Here's the battery. You can see it has two USB and a micro and a USB type C, and you can use this too. You can use to charge it. It has a 3000 milliampere. Output is 5 volts and 2.1 ampere, and I use this basically for my wise cam. I'm gonna show you all. See that? That's my wise cam up there. Because I don't want to put wire. I don't want to put wire here. It's gonna be, like untidy. So I just put this one up there, and that's a rotating wise cam. It will last for about 4 days. If I don't check my wise cam on the iPhone, on the phone, you can use the wise cam for like 6 days before it runs out. So I bought that basically, I bought this basically for that wise cam, and it works for me. All right, that's it. It's right there.